Using the pivot wine preservation system is as easy as open, insert, tip, and pour. Before first use, unscrew the capsule cup. Insert the Coravin Pure Capsule round in first and quickly screw the cup onto the device until tight. Open your bottle of wine and immediately insert a dry pivot stopper with the cap open. When you are ready to pour, insert the pivot device through the stopper until it clicks into place. With one hand holding the bottle and the other on the handle, tip the spout over the glass and press the button to pour. Release and tilt the bottle upright to stop pouring. When you are done, put the bottle down and pull the device straight up and off. Immediately close the stopper cap. Store your wine bottles on their side in a refrigerator or wine cooler and preserve what's left in the bottle for up to 4 weeks. Coravin. Savor the glass. Preserve the bottle.